Okay, guys, let's start with the pre-market analysis of 5th December, Tuesday. As we normally do it, before we start with the pre-market analysis, let us have a recap on what happened yesterday, that is the 4th of December. And look at the candlestick of 4th December in Nifty Bank Nifty. This is the Nifty and this is the Bank Nifty. You can see that both the candles have made a very bullish price action, breaking all the resistance. Bank Nifty also broken that last resistance, which was 15 September high. That also was broken in both Nifty Bank Nifty. So this all happens because of the news, right? That is what I was telling you, that because of the news or events, whatever you say that market reacts to the event, to the news. If positive, then you see that market starts going up. If news is negative, then market is going down. So it it is purely because of the election result which market like the whatever the result came, and you can see here. And if you look at the few days price action, you can see that from last 5 days, you can see that from 19,808 we made a high of 20,700. So almost close to 2000 points in just 5 trading days. All right. So that is how market reacted. Bank Nifty also, look at the how big is the candle. So now what is the next? What is the analysis for today? Because news is behind us, right? Market can't keep going on news forever. So news will be there for if yesterday there was an event, maybe 1 or 2 days market will react based on news. After that, again market will behave based on technical analysis, based on technical levels and all this. So that is why now, since news is behind us, now we have to start again focus on technicals. So will remove this, will not remove this level. Okay, this levels which we marked yesterday, we will not remove it because that level has not been tested and we made a gap up. So for today's price action, we will discuss what are the important gap, what are the important levels. For today's price action, one of the important level is going to be this yesterday's candle high and low. One is yesterday's candle high and low. Another level can be this. So instead of marking just a line, we'll just mark it as a level because that is also important level. Okay. So if you look at the daily time frame candlestick, you can see that it made a gap up candle, right? So I keep saying that gaps are very important on your chart. So this is a pure gap up candle. So what is the gap border? Gap border of this candle is the candle high and candle low, right? So this both levels today will be very, very important level. You may see this level when price comes to this level, that is the high and low, and between this green level you can see that price reacting very sharply. So whether I expect market to break this level and make another bullish day, unlikely. That means I don't expect market to, it may break for some time, it may go up, and then chances of coming down is higher rather than making another trending day. Okay, this kind of, if you many of you thinking that market might make another trending day like this yesterday, that is unlikely, but anything can happen in the market. That's what I say, that I'm not right always. I just share whatever I seen with my experience being in market for last 20 years. But if you ask me what is my view is not bullish today. My view is slightly sideways days today. Okay, slightly sideways market today. That means market may try to stay between the this range, between the previous day high and this green level. If this green level gets broken, then only it looks bearish for the next important level of this. Okay, so that is what today two things you have to closely watch. That is, one is previous day high. There is, if you look at the pre-market analysis, sorry, if you look at the global market, you can see that US markets are trading in the red, right? US market trading in the red. European market was closed in red. Gift Nifty, there is some mistake. Okay. Gift Nifty, you can see that it is trading minus 47 points. So that means we might see a flat or slightly negative opening. And if you look at other markets, they are also in the red, right? So 40 points mean yesterday's close was here. So somewhere in this region, 630, 640. So today's what is my plan for today is I will wait for the price to come near this black line, which likely to retest today if there is a bounce. Okay, then I look for the bearish price action to go short around this level. Okay, I will wait for the price action, because sometimes what happens, it can break that level, making a bullish price action, right? So then I'll not go short. I'll not go long also. Even if it breaks the previous day high, I would not be interested to go long. I will wait for to see whether it makes a fake breakout. So if it makes a fake breakout, then I'll go short. So I'll not be interested to go long today. Rather, I would be interested to go short if it breaks the previous day high. And my second plan would be, if I had to go long, then I would expect price to come down back to this CPR and this congestion zone, which is the green box. If I see bullish price action, then maybe I'll go long. Second half, yes, there could be chances of day's high getting broken. Okay, but breaking the previous day's high at the opening, less chances of market following the trend, chances of reversal higher if previous day high broken at the opening. Maybe late afternoon possibility is there. And if this level doesn't hold, then it can come all the way till here. Okay, so that is the price action for Nifty. What is the price action for Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, look at this. Bank Nifty broken everything, right? I was telling you about this candle high resistance, this candle high resistance, this candle low resistance. You can see that it broken everything. It broken everything. So now this will mark this level, this all-time high which was broken, and let's go to this level. We can remove it. Now we'll go to 5 minutes time frame. So when we go to 5 minutes time frame, so when we go to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that look at the CPR in Bank Nifty. Even Nifty also have a wide CPR. Look at Bank Nifty's wide CPR, almost 300 points, right? Almost 300 points range, which is huge for Bank Nifty. Very rarely you will see this kind of price action where this much width of CPR, and the wider the CPR, more chances of sideways days. So that's what I was saying, that I am expecting a sideways days today. So today's price action anyway, previous day high will be strong resistance, and as far as Bank Nifty concerned, even this level you can mark it. Okay, just like Nifty, I said, even this CPR, this green level can be one of the important support. So today again, same like Nifty and Bank Nifty, how I said, Bank Nifty also, if suppose previous day high gets broken at the opening, I will not be going long. I will not be interested to go long. I'll wait where market reverses, maybe R1 pivot or wherever. Then I would be interested to go short. Okay, or late afternoon, whenever it breaks the 20 MA, right? So all these levels I look for. That is where I look for the break of going short at some opportunity. Or if market opens gap down, then I would see how market behaves around this level where it makes a bullish price action. If I see a bullish price action, then I will be interested to go long for the target of again back to previous day high. Okay, so that is the price action. That is the view for today, 5th December